Let's talk about the sneaky stuff. Talking about alcohol, congestion, and yes, aging. All right, first, alcohol. It relaxes your airway more, meaning you're going to have more collapse. You're going to have more vibration, more snoring. This is why people suddenly snore way more after a few drinks. And allergies, they're a huge factor. If your nose is blocked, you're going to start mouth breathing. Mouth breathing increases your airway vibration, which is going to mean more snoring. So yes, if you have allergies and a stuffed nose, it's absolutely going to matter.